What's up, fellow YouTubers? You see the boys over here, we getting with it, getting the Mustang ready. Yep, GT 91 Joe. You see a little portion of what's up under that hood right there. If we don't sell it, we're going to beat this thing up, go put that horsepower to the floor. But it's doing pretty good, enough to stay clean in your seat. See, you got the boy Nick standing over here, getting it down, getting it in. Goddamn, then you got your boy Trey A. He got the Mustang outside too. He want to get his little souped up on too. We gonna get it there. We gonna get it there. We got a real car out there today. Oh man, don't even talk about the super sport on him like that, man. Oh, my bad. You talking about that Toyota Tacoma? My bad. Hell yeah, it's the nigga TC there behind the camera doing the damn thing. We get started on this damn car, trying to get it sanded up. Finna go and paint it back there with that gray, that silver look right there. Hell yeah. Got your boy Baker back here. He getting it in. Hell yeah. We getting stages. We just showing y'all a little bit of what we doing. Got good music in the background, a little Little Herb in the background. So you know it's going down, goddamn. Trying to get to it, got plenty to go. Put a little Bondo in some of these spots, get it sanded down. Gonna get it with it. Got the hood over here, sitting on the stand real quick. We got a little work to do to the hood. Little fiberglass issue right here. You see it? We gonna get you. I'm gonna bring you some pictures back, show you what's going on. Paint kind of cracked up in there. I'm gonna show you what's up with it though. We gonna get it.